Polymerupdate Daily News Show. This is Hetal Yagnik from the Polymerupdate Mumbai office. Today's special news reel is sponsored by Delhi-based Plastic Innovations, a manufacturer and supplier of wide range of plastic master batches, such as white master batches, color master batches with 500 different shades, black master batches and additive master batches. Viewers, today is Wednesday and as always, the Asian markets eagerly await midweek commodity polymer pricing assessments from Asia's #1 pricing service provider, Polymerupdate. I am very pleased to invite Polymerupdate's in-house expert, Mr. Jwalant Oza, our editorial director, who will throw light on this week's Polymerupdate's pricing assessments for the Asian markets. Hi Jwalant.
Hello, Hetal.
Would you like to briefly share with our viewers your comments on PP markets in Asia this week?
Yeah, sure, Hetal. PP prices for Far East Asia are likely to increase by $20 to 25 per metric ton, while for Southeast Asia, prices of PP could also rise by $10 to 15 per metric ton.
Okay. How about the pricing trends seen in regional PE markets?
Well, on account of improved demand trends, HDP prices for Far East Asia are likely to climb by $20 to 30 per metric ton, while for Southeast Asia, HDP prices may also rise by $10 to 30 per metric ton. Well, in case of LDP, prices in Far East Asia and Southeast Asia are expected to rise by $10 to 20 per metric ton, and in case of LNDP, prices may climb by $10 to 20 per metric ton in the Far East and Southeast Asian region.
Okay. What are the pricing assessments for PVC in Asia this week?
Well, PVC prices in China and in Southeast Asia are likely to remain steady.
Okay. And are domestic producers likely to make any price changes this week?
Well, most of the market players are of the opinion that PP, PE and PVC prices are likely to be rolled over today.
Okay. Thank you so much, Jwalant, and we look forward to speak to you again next week.
Thank you, Hetal.
That was Jwalant Oza sharing his valuable insights on this week's polymer market. Back to our daily news. Crude oil prices rallied on Tuesday, while WTI traded at $47.89, up $1.55 per barrel. Brent finished at $50.20, up $1.60 per barrel. Prices firmed after the American Petroleum Institute API report published on Tuesday indicated a huge drop in US crude oil inventories. Open spec naphtha prices on Tuesday were also assessed higher at $424 per metric ton CFR Far East Asia levels, a day-on-day rise of $3 per metric ton. On Tuesday, ethylene and propylene prices edged higher in Asia. Ethylene prices were at $895 per metric ton CFR Southeast Asia levels and $990 per metric ton CFR Northeast Asia levels, a day-on-day gain of $5 per metric ton. Reports of limited product availability, higher downstream PE values, coupled with a bullish buying sentiments in the region, helped sellers of ethylene to raise their prices. Propylene prices were assessed at $885 per metric ton CFR China levels, a rise of $10 per metric ton from Monday. Prices were at $865 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a day-on-day increase of $5 per metric ton. Strong buying sentiments and firmer downstream PP values together pushed prices higher across the Asian region. Benzene prices were assessed stable, while SM prices slipped in Asia on Tuesday. Benzene prices were assessed steady at $725 per metric ton FOB Korea levels. SM prices were at $1125 per metric ton FOB Korea levels, a drop of $15 per metric ton from Monday's assessed levels. Prices were at $1160 per metric ton CFR China levels, a day-on-day fall of $10 per metric ton. Reports of dull demand trends in key markets like China pressured spot SM prices lower. In the domestic markets, IOCL has announced a price protection scheme in HTP and LNDP grades with effect from July 26, 2017 till August 1st, 2017, or the next price change, whichever is earlier. The price protection will not be applicable on LBM, deemed export and any contracted sales. GAIL India Limited has also announced a price protection scheme in HTP and LLDP with effect from 26th July 2017 till 31st July 2017, or the next price change, whichever is earlier. If you enjoyed watching this daily news video from Polymerupdate and have found it to be useful for your business, please subscribe to our channel by pressing the button below. It's Wednesday, July 26th. This is Thank you.